How to fix Instagram notes not showing. So if your account is on business mode, then you have to turn into a personal account. I will show you how. Right now my account is personal, but however I will switch it into a professional account, and I'll just tap on continue to all of this. Right after doing this, the available note on my account will also be disappeared. And what you can do to make it reappear is that you have to switch it back to your personal account. Let's wait for a while until I switch it back to my personal account once. So right now we are making our account professional, and to change into a personal account, just tap on the three line and tap on settings right at the very top. Now tap on account, scroll down and tap on switch account type. Here switch to personal account, tap again for confirmation. Now your account is personal once again from professional mode. So you have to do this process for a while until and unless note will appear. As you can see, my note has been appeared. So until it is appeared, all you have to do is switch into professional account and switch into personal account. This is because your account will be refreshed throughout this process, and you might be able to receive your notes back. So that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.